Double fist to chesty. Alright.
Slim Thugger. Are we okay? Some call me suicidal, but no, ever since I was a young little boy, I just always wanted to get to the moon. Even though this trick has nothing to do with that, who cares? I'm gonna do a double fisted chesty backflip, baby. I'm scared, but I'm doing this for you. No, not you, dude. I'm talking about the girl next to you. Yeah, that one. I'm doing this. I'm going for it. I'm going. Oh, yeah! Double fisted chesty! Double fisted chesty! Did you see that? Did you see that?
Yeah, I did. I saw it. I saw it. I saw it.
Double fisted chesty, baby! Double fist to chesty!
Congrats.
Oh.
Congrats. Congrats.
Double fisted chesty!
Okay.
Oh,
Okay, now time for my.
and now I smell amazing. I smell so good.
Okay, hold on.
Oh.
I gotta do my
Oh.
side flip thing.
Aaron's,
If I don't land it, I'm sorry.
Aaron smells so
And
good
this
right
is
now.
good, and I'm not gonna have any bloopers on it, so if I land it or not, whatever. Okay, here we go. Oh!
Oh! Oh! Yeah! Whoa!
Baby!
Yeah!
Alright, that's it.
Woo! Yeah, I don't know how to stop this thing.